Look at this, guys. We love a bit of bullish news in a bear market. What's going on with APECOIN today? Today I'm going to talk to you about the resistances you need to know, some key news and some data on APECOIN. So let's check it out together. We can see Gucci goes ape. Luxury brand adds Bored Ape Yacht Club token as a payment option. So this is massive for crypto in general. Of course, APECOIN, and it might mean that other luxury brands follow in APECOIN's footsteps. So we can see after adopting Bitcoin and Ethereum and making NFT and metaverse plays, Gucci is aping back in. In brief, the luxury fashion brand Gucci will accept APECOIN at select US stores. The firm accepts other top crypto coins and has also collaborated on NFT and metaverse game projects. And this is the tweet right here from Gucci. Now accepting APECOIN payments via BitPay, select Gucci boutiques in the USA expand the range of cryptocurrencies available for in-store purchases. Yet another step in the house's exploration of Web3. So it's really nice to see these retailers, these commercial brands kind of exploring Web3 and how they can utilize that to also boost their own sales, etc., etc. And here is another little bit I think is quite interesting. Gucci's APECOIN embrace comes 2 days after jewelry brand Tiffany & Co. revealed an NFC project based around another Yuga Labs owner project. CryptoPunks. In that case, existing CryptoPunks owners can purchase one of just 250 Tiffany NFTs for 30 Ethereum. So it's really cool to see these high-end brand or these luxury brands kind of onboarding and integrating cryptocurrency into their customer journey. So really, really bullish. And by the way, guys, if you're new here, do subscribe to my channel. I mean, why not? It's a way to make some money in the bear market because I'm doing a $200 crypto giveaway of my favorite project known as Lucky Block. So let's get on with it. What's going on? We can see Thread Guy ETH. Gucci accepting Ape is massive. Luxury brands will rapidly start accepting cryptocurrencies as payment slowly, then all at once. Quickly looking at APECOIN on CoinMarketCap, we can see that we're up a massive 16% on the daily time frame, up 15% against Bitcoin, up 12% against Ethereum with a massive surge of volume. We're ranked 31 of a $2.252 billion market capital. And looking over the month, you can see this is some massive gains. It's actually done over a 2x over here, or almost a 2x, as we put through a high up to $7.16. It looks really, really good. Last 7 days, if you've gotten around that low $6 level, you'd be probably quite happy right now and sitting there with a bit of a cheeky grin on your face. Crypto bubbles today, we can see ETH is up 3.6%, Bitcoin is up 1.6%. A lot of other major altcoins are also doing fantastic today. Look at the graph, look at VeChain, look at Ethereum Classic, Rune. We've got Lido doing really, really good stuff. And I mean, look, Bitcoin's holding steady at 23.2k, Ethereum at 1.6 right now as well. So of course, much of the movement of the altcoins depends on the trajectory of Bitcoin, and we can see we are starting to form a bit of what looks like a double top, which is a bearish reversal pattern here for Bitcoin. I don't think we will hit that target of $21,000, but it does sort of linger in the back of my mind as an option, because if we do come down to 21k, I'll probably go long and ride up to like 22k or something like that. However, we are putting through this nice bullish looking green candle here on the daily time frame, which means we could still get reversal up to 25k from these levels. APECOIN price prediction, I want to show you a key resistance level, and that is right here at the $7.47 mark. There's a huge level of resistance over here, and what's happened is we busted out this symmetrical triangle. We got the news just a few hours ago, of course, and that was enough of a price catalyst to surge the price from $6.59 all the way up to $7.42, where we are getting rejected at that key level of resistance. Now, one thing to consider is we are stuck in a rising wedge. It doesn't look too good. We're at the top of the Bollinger Band as well, which usually means it's time to go short. And personally, I think it is a good time to actually go short, unless we do see a confirmed breakout here. If we went short, we could probably look at technical targets of $6.95 or even $7.14, just playing it safely really on a short position if you're looking to take some profits. If the opposite happens and we do see a breakout to the upside, then really right now the sky is the limit, because APECOIN could easily go through the $8 level. Maybe look at the $7.72 resistance first, but then continue through up and above $8. But we do know that a rising wedge is a bearish reversal pattern, so do keep your eyes on it, because if we were to lose the support here at $6.65, we could see a big, unfortunately a bit of a downside, and there's a lot of downside that we could still come to $5.50 in the next few weeks. So don't forget that this is a bearish reversal pattern. APECOIN is quite notorious for trading in these rising wedge patterns. RSI looks kind of bearish as well. I mean, look, the price is coming up whilst the RSI is putting through lower highs, which is also a bit of a bearish divergence. So there's a lot of hype and greed associated with this project right now. Speaking of greed, we can see fear and greed index today is sitting at 34. So we've just bounced out of the extreme fear phase. We can see Bitcoin logarithmic regression band is in the blue zone, which does mean that we're still basically in a fire sale. In my humble opinion, it's accumulation season right now. If you bought here where we had the COVID-19 crash, you would be in amazing profits. If you bought here following the 2017 bull market, you would have rode this massive wave up, done over a 3x, and basically bought in at 3k, sold at like $10,000+. Now we're back in this blue range where we can speculate, okay, are we going to come up to the orange or the the yellow ribbon in the future, and you enter around $20,000, allowing you to sell at like $100,000 to $130,000. That's something I am considering right now, right? Also, we've got CPI, inflation. What happened last month is we printed one of the biggest CPI reports ever. Inflation was like 9.5%. We are now starting to see commodities drop a little bit. Petrol prices are coming down. Some other prices, cost of living, just slightly coming down. So I do think we have hit the peak for inflation right now. That was last month. And the thing is, people are so reactive rather than proactive. What the specialists already know, economists, people out there already know that July was probably the peak, right? It was probably the peak for inflation. So I do expect come August 10, I think we're going to get a report with a lower inflation rate, which is really, really good for crypto in general. Guys, remember, if you're new to the channel, do smash subscribe, slap the like button, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see in these videos. Check out the links below as well for the giveaways. It's a $3,000 giveaway of IBAT tokens. Really easy to do. And also get yourself into my Discord and the Telegram groups for free educational content. I'll see you soon. Bye for now and stay crypto safe. Much love.